In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Viagogo in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Viagogo website and either create an account or sign in if you already have one. This first part is important because you'll need access to your seller account to create and manage your listing, track the sale, and receive payment later. If you're new to the platform, just follow the account setup prompts and make sure your information is entered accurately. Once you're logged in, head to the Sell Tickets section of the website. This is where the selling process begins. Viagogo is designed to guide you through the listing flow, so once you're in the right section, the rest becomes much easier to follow. Next, search for the concert event you want to sell tickets for. Be careful here and make sure you choose the exact event. Many artists may have multiple dates, cities, or venues, so it's important to match the listing to the correct performance. After that, select the correct event date, venue, and ticket type. Accuracy really matters at this stage because buyers rely on these details when deciding whether to purchase. Choosing the wrong version of an event can create delivery issues later, so take a moment to double check everything before moving on. Now enter your ticket details. You'll need to add the number of tickets you're selling, the seating section, and the row and seat numbers if that information applies to your tickets. You'll also need to choose the ticket format such as a mobile ticket, an e-ticket, or a physical ticket. The clearer and more accurate your listing is, the smoother the transaction will be. Once your ticket information is filled in, set your price. As you do this, review the estimated payout after fees so you understand how much you'll actually receive if the tickets sell. This helps you price competitively while still knowing your expected return. When everything looks correct, confirm your listing details and publish your tickets for sale. At that point, your listing will go live, and you'll simply wait for a buyer to purchase the tickets. If your tickets sell, follow Viagogo's delivery instructions carefully. Depending on the ticket format, you may need to transfer mobile tickets through the official ticketing platform or upload or send the tickets using the delivery method Viagogo provides. Make sure you complete this step exactly as instructed and on time. After the tickets have been sent, confirm that delivery is complete. Then, once the transaction has been fully completed, you'll receive your payment according to Viagogo's payout schedule. And that's how to sell tickets on Viagogo in 2026.